Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homie. Today I'm sharing a healthy, quick and easy one-pot methi matar pulao recipe, ideal as a healthy meal for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. To make matar pulao, I'm using a traditional variety of aromatic rice known as jeerakasala rice. This rice is relatively smaller than basmati rice. However, you can use basmati rice or any variety of rice instead of this. So what I have done is I have soaked 1 cup of aromatic jeerakasala rice for about 15 to 20 minutes. I always prefer to soak grains before using them so that the phytates in them are released and that helps in better nutrient absorption and in good digestion. I'm going to wash and rinse the rice until the water runs clear, and then I'm going to keep it on a strainer. The spices I'm using for the pulao are half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon saunf, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 lightly crushed cardamoms, a small piece of cinnamon, half of a mace, 4 cloves. I'm using a pressure cooker for this recipe. However, I will not be using the weight of the pressure cooker. That is, I will be steam cooking the pulao without the weight on the pressure cooker. Into my pressure cooker, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon of wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in the saunf, and once it starts to splutter, I'm adding in the jeera. Jeera is also known as cumin seeds. Mace, 1 bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Reduce the flame to the lowest and lightly give it a stir so that the flavors of the spices are released into the oil. Next, I'm adding in a small piece of ginger, finely sliced. Lightly give it a stir. 4 green chillies slit. 1 cup of methi leaves, also known as fenugreek leaves. I have roughly chopped the fenugreek leaves. Mix well and allow the leaves to get lightly wilted. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 cup of fresh green peas. Note that I have also lightly sprouted the green peas as well to make it more nutrient dense. Sea salt as needed. Give it a good stir. Added the soaked and strained rice. Stir it for a couple of minutes. It's about 2 to 3 minutes now, and the rice is nicely mixed with the ingredients and it is lightly roasted as well. Into this I'm adding in 2 cups of water. I measured the water in the same cup with which I measured the rice. For 1 cup of rice I'm using 2 cups of water. Put the flame on high and bring this to a boil. Once it starts to boil, squeeze in half a lemon. Give it a stir. Cover the pressure cooker with its lid, and once the steam starts to come through the hob, reduce the flame to the lowest and let it steam cook for exactly 7 minutes. Note that I'm not placing the weight on the hob. After exactly 7 minutes, turn off the flame and allow it to sit like this for 15 to 20 minutes and then only open the cooker. So let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. After exactly 20 minutes, open the cooker and you can see that the rice has perfectly cooked, and I'm lightly giving the pulao a mix. Once it is mixed, you can see how perfectly the rice has cooked. It is non-sticky and perfectly cooked. Transfer to a serving bowl and you can enjoy it with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy methi matar pulao and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.